my channel, guys. So today I had these pets. This one's legendary newborn. This one is rare, and you know what it says. And then let's take it off. Then let's pick it up. I really want a giraffe, so let's try the giraffe and let's see if she does that. I think so. I don't even know I can accept the trade, so guys. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell. Let's trade her. I think she on a decline or like something like that. Wow, look at her dance. Please. Come on, please accept, please accept. I think mine is not even on. It is on, but no one's trying me. Okay. Okay. So today we're training my. Oh, she's training me right now. I think she will accept or not. No, no! I want the giraffe. I really want the giraffe. I think it's a good trade. So do I will accept the trade, so yeah. Who trades it? Come on, please accept. Please trade my trades. Please, good. She's trading me a gun. And I don't know why. No, thank you. I don't even want it. Just heck. Oh. I want it free now. It's not for free, ma. I'm not giving you water here. So that means a decline. Nope. Thank you. Now someone's trading me. Yeah, I don't know who owns. I think it's good training for this. And I will accept the trade. No, you can keep it. No. You can, no. Okay. Well, I think I will accept. Yeah, I will accept the trade. And it's set. I was set. I need to climb. An egg. I don't have more. It's okay. It's fine for me. Seriously. I always do that. No. trade me. And you want to trade me, but a good thing. Okay. This looks like a good trade. So let me ask my sister. Sis! Is it a good trade? This is like a good trade or a bad trade? Bad. Oh, okay. So I decline.
I already declined.
Oh, I decline my trade. Give me something good. A dragon. Oh, a dragon.
This is what else other people had.
Let's see who more people and I think I would decline. It sounds like a good trade, but I decline. Let's see who people offer more. Thanks! No! 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 I will grave you this instead. And a good trade! Why are you adding more? And I don't even want more things. I don't want more things. I'm sorry. Oh, really? I do that all the time. I always do that. Always, always. And then it declines. Hate it. Hate it so much. Please give me something else. I'm so sorry. I don't want it. Gives me settings. Okay. Give me a good offer. I didn't decline. Great. Let's see who more people trade for my white monkey or what's this called? I don't know what it's called. So that's it in my video. Bye. Subscribe and hit the bell. And give me likes. 2,000 likes.